It's actually an old idea that dates back from the beginning of psychology. William James talked about how our thoughts, so these abstract ideas that we have in our head, are intimately connected to our body. He has a famous quote that the very idea of a movement invokes in us the actual movement. So when we think about, for example, moving the hand, even we don't intend to move the hand moves. So we can think about, for example, a smile, and if we don't, though we don't intend to smile, we tend to smile automatically. So the idea of embodied cognition is that there is an intimate link between the abstract thought and its bodily form. And bodily is meant broadly in terms of actual physical muscle movement, but also the process in the brain that are tied to sensory processes like perceptual processes, our feelings, experiences, everything that is not abstract. There is a tight link. And of course, there is a big debate about the nature of that link, whether that link is purely associative, so whether we smile when we think of a smile just because these two things tend to go together, and things that appear together wire together. So, but there's nothing more than just an associative link. So some people argue that. Other people believe that the connection is more constitutive, it's more fundamental, that somehow our ability to think is intimately tied to the ability to simulate or ground our thoughts in those perceptual, motor, sensory states. And that's the kind of the more radical claim of embodied cognition, that our thoughts are intimately grounded or based in the bodily states.